How to move a copy of an item from one board to another in Monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can move a copy of an item from one board to another. So watch this video and by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to log into Monday.com. And once when we log in, we can open any board that we're working on. And for example, if this is the board that we're working on and this is the item that we want to move. Now, it actually depends if we want to move this item or a copy of it. But as the video states that we need to move a copy of an item. So what we're going to do, first, we're going to click it and then we are going to duplicate it. Duplicate budgets and updates and every single thing. Now, as this item has been copied, what do we need to do? We need to click here again and then we need to click on move to. And we have two options right here. Either we can move it to a group or we can move it to another different board. So we're going to click it and here we can select the board that we want to move it to. For example, this is the board that we want to move it to. Board 101. We're going to click it and then in internals. Yep. We're going to move every single thing. So we're going to click on move item. The following data will be deleted. Monday doc. Okay, sure. Delete Monday doc. Not a problem at all. And then we're going to come back here and then we are going to search the board. Here it is. Board 101. We're going to open it up. And here you can see that the item has been successfully moved to another board. So that's how you do it. Pretty simple it is. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel as well to see more informative content like this in the future. I'll see you in the next one.